Hello everyone. Here are 10 lines on my ideal teacher. Teachers are the pillars of our lives and my ideal teacher is Abhijit sir. He is very kind, patient and always has a smile on his face. He explains every lesson in a way that is very easy for all students to understand. He encourages us to ask questions and never gets tired of answering them. Abhijit sir not only teaches us from books but also instills good manners and values. He is very punctual and always comes to class on time. He treats every student equally and helps those who are weak in their studies. He makes learning very fun by telling interesting stories and playing games. He motivates me to work hard and always try my best in everything I do. I respect him very much and want to become a great person like him one day.